it really breaks one's heart to hear that you don't have access to your grandson. Do you make efforts to get across to women?
No, as a father, they know where I'm living. They're supposed to come to me.
Whereas they don't come to you, and this is your grandson. Do you just, as an elder,
see, for me, for now, I don't want to speak more about that because the case is at the court. Let courts have since concerning that because the way I'm looking at things now, as a father, they're supposed to bring that child to me. This is your grandson. Now, I demand for DNA. They say, okay, daddy, go and do it in your convenient time. But they have been hiding it. So, this thing has become the public something. So, let the court say anything concerning that. From there, I will know exactly what to do.
Do you think he's your grandson?
You said?
Do you think he's your grandson?
Let courts make final say concerning that.
Does it look like Mohbad?
No. With what I'm seeing.
So he's not your grandson?
It's not.
It's not your grandson. Whereas the DNA says otherwise.
If this DNA says it's acceptable.